于止水。诚心专注地念诵五字真言，有助于内心的平静祥和，更清楚地看清自己。遇到事情时，能做出更正确的判断与决定，并更有效地完成工作任务。
Confucius said, "Men do not look into running water as a mirror, but into still water." Silently reciting the heavenly mantra with sincerity and full attention helps to pacify our mind. As a result, we can see ourselves more clearly, make judgments and decisions more correctly, and complete daily tasks with more efficiency.
第三宝，和学习宽恕。
Deferred treasure, heavenly hand sign. Learning to be forgive.
手到合同，也意味着与仙佛合，与仙佛同，把我们的佛心除以自性除以愿力和诸佛菩萨的佛心除以自性除以愿力相合在一起。我们和同修之间要合，才能同人与人之间要合。要同，就要学习术道，也就是己所不欲，勿施于人，学习宽恕。就像耶稣在十字架上所说的话，就是一种宽恕。人与人之间